Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to test some LEDs. Now what I've done here is I've taken just two ordinary AA batteries, soldered a jumper across one end, and two wires on the other end. And what we're going to get out of this is about 3 volts. And then on the other end of those wires, I've got 2 sewing needles. Use the biggest needles you can find because you don't want them to break. And we're going to test these on the multimeter. And we've got 2.9 volts. That's close enough. The LEDs are 3.2 volts a piece. And you really don't need any more than that because it will damage your LEDs. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of sandpaper here because these aren't really sharp enough. And can you see what I'm doing? That's good. Just want to make them a little sharper. And that's good. Line this back up where you can see it. Now, LEDs only work if you have your polarity right, okay? Now, I've already done these once, so I know what they are. I can't really focus real good here, but maybe you can see it if I hold this just right. Okay. There is a pad here, which kind of goes under the LED. That's going to be one side. And then down here is the other trace. It actually connects to this pad right here, and that's where we're going to actually going to connect because it's a little thicker there, and we don't want to damage the trace. So bear with me with these wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom one, which I believe is hot on all of them, and pierce. And we pierce this one with the black wire like that, and it lights up. So do the next one and you line this up in view. Apologize for the focus. Now this one we got to come all the way over here. You can see that for the one. Here for the other. You can tell where because you'll see this little line. Can you see that? See that little line that's between them? That's where the two pads separate. So we're going to do this one. It's right next to it. So do that one. And you can do these, rather quickly. It doesn't take long at all. Now, figuring out this last one might actually take a second. There we go. So figuring out the last one's a little tricky. Of course, I think when I moved it, I switched my probes. But that's basically it. That's how you test an LED. And when we're done, if we can look here, like I said, focus isn't very good, but you can't really see where I poked it. Just that one little mark right there. Somewhere around here. It's not really easy to find on but that's it, basically. So I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.